Hi everybody, I want to introduce the LandCruiser 300 series PowerDeck system. Now this one is showing the left-hand powered wing with the Redarc Essentials display. Awesome piece of equipment. We also have in the wing our own LED voltmeter with USB A and C and an external 50 amp power outlet. This right hand side shows the ARB compressor wing with our 240 volt set up in the front wing. So we've got remote on off switch for the inverter, power outlet, air input, on off switch. Now the unit encompasses a 210 amp hour battery system or a 105 amp hour battery system. Redarc BCDC alpha charging in both cases, 50 amp tuned to the car at 40 amps. We've got a plug and play vehicle wiring loom, which will take you less than half an hour to install. Accessible fuse block. Now on the 240 volt side, we have option for 2000 watt inverter, 3000 watt inverter or 1000 watt inverter. Most people go for the 2000 as a medium, but that is fully integrated, plug and play to the PowerDeck, which is 300 amp rated output. Unlike a lot of cheaper batteries out there, this one will handle 300, 400 peak, so it is way over engineered, which means you'll never have any problems and it will outlast any application you can throw at it. Now, next video we will show the integrated ARB compressor. We do a single brushless compressor. We also do the double brushless compressor, which will fit as a plug and play unit underneath the deck. Available now, lawsonautomotive.com.au.